Okay, here's a quick video tour of the Tilmor 520E. I just finished wiring up the last of the lights, so now I've got front, belly, there's a rear light on the top of the crossbar, and then markers and hazards. So this is an electric conversion of a Tilmor 520 energy storage. Oh, sorry. Energy storage is in there. Rear implement lift is fully electric. This linear actuator from Thiessen. The belly is also fully electric. There's no hydraulics on the tractor at all. These are these suitcase batteries. You can see the individual cells on one face of them. So the 5 of these is around 15, maybe 16 kilowatt hours. Probably enough energy storage to run all day. Charge cable for the big onboard charger. It's in here. I still have to change this to a 240 volt 20 amp plug. An onboard charger. It's a 6 kilowatt charger limited to 4. So it'll charge the onboard batteries in completely in, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. There's another connector for a smaller battery charger. Dash is Tilmor stock with the addition of Sevcon Clearview display. Tilmor gauges. I haven't gotten the pulse ring to work for the speed one, but I may still work through it. Standard switch complement for lighting and auxiliary 12 volt power to the front and rear jacks. And then we have road mode and field mode. The labels are French because this is going to a farm here in Quebec where all the operators are francophone. And so that's going to be road mode will be higher top speed, gentler acceleration curve, and regenerative braking. And then field mode will be higher torque, lower speeds, more and no regen. The other controls are forward and reverse as a shuttle like you'd have on a forklift. And the standard, this is the range limiter for the belly, and the belly is a linear actuator all the way down, all the way up. It has a speed adjustment. This little potentiometer lets me speed or slow, vary the speed of the belly implement lift. And then this is obviously the rear implement, belly implement. What else? Got park and brake, got a comfy seat, got one emergency cutoff here, another easier to reach here. Nothing much over here. The fuel tank, as well as having the charge cable in here. What used to be the fuel tank there's a partition inside, and then there's a glove box here. And there's the standard Tilmor upper box, which also has USB outlet A and C, so you can charge your phone in there while you're cultivating. And this is the other plug-in for a separate charger to plug in there so that you don't have to find your 240 volt outlet. So yeah, off we go. So it's not totally silent, but mostly what you hear is the 2-speed reduction gearbox and the differential. It'll have square cut gears and make a certain amount of noise that normally no one ever hears. People are used to just hearing the engine and the exhaust, but get rid of the engine and the exhaust and you learn that the drivetrain's actually noisy. The drivetrain on this tractor is stashed under the seat. So here we have the 2-speed transmission that's locked in first to act as a gear reduction, and then the diff is beneath it, integrated in the same gearbox. So that down there is one of the half shafts out to this wheel, and then there's a final drive reduction and a final reduction at that wheel. This motor, which is just starting to get warm after I've been driving it around for 5 minutes, is an axial flux permanent magnet AC motor from Mote Energy, and it provides about equivalent torque and power to the 3-cylinder 20 odd horsepower Kubota diesel that used to be there. So yeah, drivetrain is now small, energy storage is big, but the whole damn thing works a lot better than the diesel. So pretty happy to have finished this up and getting ready to deliver it to a happy customer in just a few days.